So here we have the Tiger of Sweden suit, and let's have a look inside at the internals, how it's made. As you can see there, it's a bonded front with a canvas chest piece which is floating away from the body, and that canvas will retain its shape better than a fully bonded suit which you see by the makes such as Hugo Boss, Ted Baker, Paul Smith. The brands that I know of that are made in a better way, such as this, is Tiger of Sweden and Suit Supply, are made in a similar way. These are actually made in Romania. Let's see the composition of how it's made. So this one, yeah, it's made in Romania, yeah, as I thought, and it's 98% wool with 2% elastane, and the lining being viscose. This is a size 48 jacket. They're very well made. I don't know a massive amount about Tiger of Sweden, but they seem very, very similar made to Suit Supply. They're very clean manufacturing methods. You never see any loose threads or anything like that from them. They are very well made. All the buttons are all nice and high quality. They are of a higher quality suit off the peg. All nicely finished inside. Yeah, it's very, very rare to see any threads hanging off them or anything, or having them in for just silly things like buttons falling off and stuff. I know it sounds a bit silly to say that, but now and again I do get other makes coming in quite a bit with like buttons falling off even after just a few weeks of being made. So from my point of view, they are very well made. So there you have it, guys. So Tiger of Sweden suit, it does have a canvas chest piece. I think it's around about to about there. It stops, and then the rest of it, so it's a bonded front with a canvas chest piece. Hope you found it informative. If you've got any questions about suits, alterations you need, or the like, drop me a line. It's michael@jamespersonaltailor.co.uk, and our main website is www.tailorsinmanchester.co.uk. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate all the support on the channel. Thank you.